In a rapidly changing world, simply being good at your job is no longer enough. Every day, artificial intelligence and automation are transforming industries, reshaping the workplace, and challenging the very definition of what it means to be valuable. The old rules are fading fast. Adaptability, creativity, and resilience have become the new currency of success. The question is, how do you make yourself truly irreplaceable in an era where yesterday's expertise can become obsolete overnight? The answer lies in cultivating high-leverage skills, timeless, practical abilities that set the top 1% apart from the rest. These skills go beyond technical know-how. They are the superpowers that keep you ahead of the curve, no matter how the world shifts around you. The first skill is emotional intelligence. While machines can process data, they struggle to understand and navigate human emotions. Those who excel at reading people, managing relationships, and responding thoughtfully under pressure rise to the top, because emotional intelligence is the foundation of trust, leadership, and collaboration. It's about listening deeply, empathizing genuinely, and communicating clearly, even when the stakes are high. Second, systems thinking. Problems today are rarely isolated. They are part of complex, interdependent networks. Systems thinkers see the bigger picture. They spot patterns, anticipate ripple effects, and design solutions that account for both the immediate and the long-term consequences. This approach turns chaos into opportunity and uncertainty into clarity. Third, storytelling. Data is everywhere, but stories move people to act. The ability to distill complex ideas into compelling narratives will set you apart, whether you're pitching an idea, leading a team, or building a brand. Great storytellers inspire, persuade, and connect, turning abstract concepts into memorable, actionable insights. Fourth, strategic risk-taking. Playing it safe is the riskiest move of all in a world that rewards innovation and agility. The top performers are those who know how to evaluate risks, seize opportunities, and bounce back from setbacks. They experiment, iterate, and learn quickly, transforming failures into stepping stones for success. Fifth, rapid learning. The most valuable people are relentless learners. They seek feedback, adapt fast, and absorb new skills with ease. With information changing at lightning speed, the ability to unlearn and relearn is more important than any single credential. Lifelong learners stay relevant, no matter how the landscape evolves. Sixth, influence. It's not just what you know, but who you can mobilize. Influence is about earning trust, building networks, and inspiring others to rally around your vision. The ability to persuade and motivate without relying on authority opens doors and multiplies your impact. Finally, self-management. In an age of distraction and burnout, those who master their own energy, focus, and priorities win the long game. Self-management means setting clear goals, maintaining resilience, and cultivating habits that fuel sustained performance. It's the discipline to do what matters most, even when no one is watching. These aren't just skills, they are the foundation of future-proof success. And the best part? Every one of them is learnable. You don't need to be born with them, you just need the commitment to practice and apply them. Imagine the power of combining just 3 emotional intelligence to connect, systems thinking to strategize, and storytelling to persuade. Suddenly, you become the go-to person in any room, the one people seek out for insights, leadership, and inspiration. The future doesn't belong to those who simply survive change. It belongs to those who embrace it, who develop the superpowers that make them indispensable. The question isn't whether you can learn these skills. It's, can you afford not to? Invest in yourself. Master these high-leverage skills. Dominate the future, don't just survive it. Your future self will thank you.